Hello. Hey, so I was just going to tell you a little bit about why I got this Irrigreen thing over here. These things are great. I was trying to figure out how to, while raising two young kids, how to put in a sprinkler system to keep the lawn nice and green for them. And I was just about to install, all kinds of PVC sprinklers, PVC pipe with normal sprinkler heads all over the whole place here. And I happened to hear about this Irrigreen thing, which is pretty great. It saved me a whole lot of work trying to put it in. It now runs, well, it's kind of hard to see, but I just had to lay, just as much PVC pipe to reach two sprinkler heads. I even put it into my garden spigot here to make it work. And, basically it works great. I have this real funny, odd shaped yard here. The parts I want to keep green, it waters them. And it does so even when I'm in another state, which I happen to be doing a lot of the summer these days. And I'm in California, so we really need it. And, it's awesome. I can be at work and turn it on from my phone and spray the kids when they're running on the lawn. And when we're away, it just keeps everything watered for us. Pretty simple. It's got this feature where it will detect like what the weather's been and whatnot and water more or less as needed. It doesn't water if it's rained, which it turns out is complying with the law here in California. So, it's pretty great. Waters my lawn. And the biggest thing about it is that all the neighbors love it. Like all these folks, they want to come see it. They want to hear about it. It's kind of cooler than having the biggest barbecue in town. All right. Well, that's me saying why I like my Irrigreen system. It helped me a lot because, man, I was hiring the neighbor kid to water the yard for a while when I was gone, and that always, ran into some kind of trouble. And it's saved me a lot of my water bill as well, which is good because they charge us a lot for water out here. All right. Well, that's all.